So this is stuff that I dropped off the first way down here. So we got a bath here, a kitchen island, and this is all part of that kitchen island, I think. That was the bath. So there's a bunch of stuff. Gonna load it onto this little... What is in my hair? Load it onto this little cart, and then obviously bring it down to the villa. Down, with down I mean up. So. Ik zal wel een dapere worm mee dat tabletop done. Now the rest. Gonna try to put it here-ish in the extension of this arch. Gonna try to put it here. Here we have a water supply as well as a drain. Again, we don't know if the drain actually drains, but that's a problem for later. And in the future we would have a dishwasher right there, and there's a vent there, so maybe some cooking area, cutting area, storage area, but we'll see. For now, kitchen island here.
Even opzetten.
Even naast van.
Last thing, all assembled, now we just need countertop.
It's been a couple hours, but finally we have finished the kitchen. The location of the stove will change because the stove used to be here as well. I would rather have the stove there or in front of the window. Don't know yet, but it's a good start. Took way longer than I expected, like everything, so I think it's a trend. Definitely is a trend, and for the first time in a week and a half, we're gonna take a well-deserved early dinner and enjoy the evening. If you have any comments, questions, or remarks, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!